Something has come into the camp last night and ransacked my bag. I don't think it's gonna get any worse than this, but famous last words, eh? Go on a wee trip to the local watering hole. Gorgeous. Look how clear that water is as well. And it's not too cold. I came over to make myself a coffee and I noticed one of my cereal bars sitting out and another one sitting out. I was like, I didn't have them out last night. I mean, they were sitting on the table in a bag, but that was it. And then I went to find the bag and it's gone, and there's just a few bars scattered around. So something has come into the camp last night and ransacked my bag of Nature Valley cereal bars and made off with it. And I've looked around and I can't see any more bars or the bag that they were in, but that was the only thing that was taken. So no idea what that was, but I hope you enjoy it. It's all packed up. Survived the night at Hell's Gate campground. Got a nice swim in the river this morning. Got my coffee this morning, and now I'm gonna head out. Probably got about a 5-6 hour drive today. Not really sure what road I'm gonna take, but plan is to get to Guy Marco's house. There's a few cabins up in the forest, and go stay there for a couple of days. But as always, we shall see. There's a little deer.
You belong among the wildflowers. You belong in a boat out at sea. Sail away, kill off the hours. You belong somewhere you feel free. Run away, find you a lover. Go away, somewhere all bright and new. I have seen no other who compares find a lover. Run away, let your heart be your guide. You deserve the deepest of cover. You belong in that home by and by. You belong among the wildflowers.
Just in Ukiah now, which is the last stop before I head over to Marco's house. It's probably about an hour away from here. Good roads for most of the way, and then he lives pretty much off the grid, so the last little stretch is all gonna be off-road. Just been on the Highway 1 for the last sort of 3 hours. There hasn't been too much to see. Lots of roadworks on the way where you're just sort of parked on the road for 10-15 minutes at a time, wait for your turn to go. You can definitely notice the change in temperature getting down. Getting further south here, like the wind that normally cools you down when you're going to go speed on the bike is it's hot now. It is hot. There's not really much relief, but I guess it's only going to get hotter. So it's good. Acclimating, climatizing, whatever you want to call it. Where is this? Where am I going? It's trying to route me through these vineyards. Where is this trying to take me? It's trying to make me do a U-turn. What? I have no idea. I guess it must have taken a wrong turn, but... one's not too bad. It is still 100 times better than that road that I was on this morning. Not really, that took it out of me. Like, I think 3 hours is what I ended up driving. I think in total, maybe 50 miles. 3 hours, 50 miles on them roads. It was definitely not fun, especially whenever you have the comparison of great riding yesterday. All them roads, I thought that's what I was getting into today. And it was definitely the opposite. Can't be good all the time, I suppose. This was it. That was the wrong turn. Should have went left. I went straight on. We are now in that California wine country. Might be time to make the switch from beer. Bottle of wine can't be too pricey. Remember being in Australia and
We go around these vineyards and take a back case and if dirt cheap. So many of these roads carved out through the mountain here, just like they remind me of what you would see in a James Bond car chase scene. I haven't seen an Aston Martin yet, but oh well, at least we're getting to end the riding on some good roads today. Although I really don't know what to expect for this last couple of miles on his property. He was a bit skeptical that I'd even be able to do it on a bike. So well, what did he tell me? He said, once you get to the hill going up, just go fast. That's generally the way it works in these things. It almost seems counterproductive, but you just gotta give it some juice and it takes you through that rough terrain. You build the momentum, you slow down or you stop, you lose it. You end up stuck or have to go back down to the bottom of the hill and try again. So
One more pit stop, I guess. Oh. Whew. Oh. If you stopped every time you got a view, you would not get very far. This is the start of the road up to Marco's house. It's steep enough straight away. Dusty. I don't think it's gonna get any worse than this. But famous last words, eh? Definitely steep. I wonder what it's like coming down. Especially if it rains, like, this will just be like an ice rink. But I really don't think we're getting any rain anytime soon around these parts. This is going to be fun to come down. It's definitely the steepest road I've went up so far. Came down a few steep ones. The end of Oregon, the start of that California trail. He's house number 1060, but I've yet to see any houses. And this is where I revert to the left-hand side of the road again. Just feels safer, just feels more comfortable. I do have a pin saved. I just don't know if keep on going. Ooh, baby. Ooh. Oh. the camera. I already lost it. Water Road. That's like 1060. That should be us. There's a Bambi. Hey,
You made it.
I made it.
Yeah,
You had me scared with that road. It's definitely a bit steep.
I told you.
It's going down that I'm more worried about.
That's why I said go fast, because I used to have a motorcycle too, and
Uh-huh.
like bumpy roads, if I just hit it fast, I could just climb
Yeah,
over it, you know?
yeah.